Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Today I'm diving into Sharesight, a fantastic tool for tracking and managing your investments. Managing investments can often feel overwhelming, but that's exactly where Sharesight aims to help. Personally, I've found it incredibly helpful in keeping all my investments organized and easy to monitor. Sharesight makes tracking your investments simple, bringing all your assets, stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and even custom investments into one place. With support for 30-plus global exchanges and 200-plus broker integrations, it's a versatile tool for investors worldwide. Plus, with a 300,000-strong investor community, it's a platform many trust. But is it the right fit for you? I'll break down the benefits, drawbacks, and whether it's worth the price. Also, stick around for an exclusive discount link I got my hands on. I want to start by looking at what other users say about the share site in order to give you a more well-rounded perspective. As you can see, they have a 4.1 out of 5 score from over 400 reviewers, which is considered great. Let's dig into a few of these reviews to get some specifics. This reviewer mentions one of the useful features ShareSite offers its users, its tax reporting feature. Keeping track of your taxable income can be a headache, but ShareSite takes the hassle out of it with its comprehensive taxable income report. So, what's to like about this feature? Well, for starters, it neatly lists all the essential details you need for your tax return. This includes net dividends, tax credits, tax deducted, TFN withholding tax, and gross dividends. It's designed to provide all the portfolio-related information you need to complete your tax return accurately and efficiently. Also, ShareSite's tax reporting is very customizable. You can easily choose the period for which you want to run the report, and by default, it shows the current tax year. This flexibility ensures that you get the exact data you need, when you need it. Another positive aspect of this feature is the ease with which you can download your reports. ShareSite allows you to export your taxable income report as a PDF, XLSX, or even open it directly in Google Drive. This makes it super convenient to share with your accountant or keep for your records. Let's hop back over to these reviews and see what else users like about them. This user uses a dividend reinvestment plan and really likes the dividend features offered, as do I. If you're like me and love to keep a close eye on your dividend income, you're going to appreciate what ShareSite offers. With ShareSite's dividend tracking, you can easily manage and track all your dividend payments in one place. As seen in the image, you get a detailed view of each holding's distributions, including payment dates, gross payment amounts, tax deducted, and net payments. This level of detail is rare to find in dividend tracking tools and makes ShareSite an asset for dividend investors. I really like the future income feature, which shows all you need to know about your upcoming dividends. It helps you understand your gross earnings from dividends after tax, both domestic and foreign tax, which international investors can really appreciate. ShareSite even allows you to add manual trades or adjustments and distributions, offering complete flexibility and control over your dividend data. Whether you're a DIY investor or working with an accountant, having your dividend information readily available and in a format that suits you is invaluable. Let's dig into some more reviews. This reviewer is happy with his overall experience and mentions how great the customer service is, which is something I saw in a few other reviews as well. Now, although ShareSite has good ratings overall, there were some negative experiences I think you should be aware of. One common complaint I came across was with the mobile app. Most users are happy with the desktop version, but many have complained about the mobile app's functionality. If you are primarily a mobile user, this could be a problem. Usually apps improve over time, so I'd imagine ShareSite would be the same. Personally, I handle any investment-related business on desktop, so it isn't an issue with me. I also saw a few negative reviews mentioning the pricing being too expensive. If a tool offers a good value, depends on how much it costs and how much you actually use the software. I should mention that they offer a free plan, and the quote he lists of $588 per year is higher than what they actually charge. As you can see, the most expensive plan is $23.25 per month. The free plan is a solid option for beginners, letting you manage one portfolio with up to 10 holdings at no cost. The starter plan is $7 per month and includes one portfolio with up to 30 holdings, 3 custom groups, and limited reporting. The investor plan costs $18 per month and supports up to 4 portfolios with unlimited holdings, 5 custom groups, and advanced reporting. For serious investors, the expert plan is $23.25 per month and provides up to 10 portfolios, unlimited holdings, 10 custom groups, full reporting, and priority support. If you aren't sure which to choose, each plan includes a 7-day free trial. Also, by signing up using my exclusive link in the description, you can save up to 33% on Sharesight. All right, one more thing I want to discuss is the dashboard of Sharesight. When you log in, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive interface that makes tracking your investments a breeze. One thing that really stands out to me about the Sharesight dashboard is its simplicity. Right from the main screen, you get a clear, visual representation of your portfolio's performance over time. The graph is easy to read and provides a view of your holdings in a way that's both comprehensive and easy to digest. The drop-down menus allow you to see your portfolio in different ways for deeper understanding. You can filter your view by various time periods, such as since first purchase, in the last year, or even in the last week. This flexibility allows you to customize the data you see, making it easier to analyze your portfolio's performance over different timeframes. You can also group your data by different categories like market, currency, sector classification, and more. This is particularly useful for those of us who like to dissect our investments from multiple angles to get a deeper understanding of where our money is and how it's performing. The last thing I must mention is Sharesight's security. Security is a big deal for me, as I think it should be for everyone. They use two-factor authentication to keep accounts safe and encrypt all data transmissions with TLS standards. Their servers are heavily protected and monitored 24/7, which is pretty reassuring. Plus, they integrate with Google's identity service for an extra layer of security. Knowing this makes me feel a lot more comfortable using their platform. All right, everyone, that wraps up my deep dive into Sharesight. Sharesight has truly impressed me with its comprehensive suite of features designed to make tracking and managing investments a breeze. From the intuitive dashboard and customizable reporting options to the robust tax and dividend tracking capabilities, Sharesight covers all the bases. So, I think Sharesight is best for investors who want a clear, detailed view of their portfolio. Whether you manage stocks, ETFs, or even custom investments, the 200-plus broker integrations and in-depth reports make it a powerful tool. Not sure if it's right for you? Try the free trial and see how it fits your investing style. And if you decide to upgrade, use the link in the description to save up to 33% on your membership. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.